This physics review video is from Unit 8, Waves. The topic is wave interference. Wave interference is when two waves are at the same location. Their amplitudes or heights are going to either add or subtract. For instance, if a wave with an amplitude of 7 centimeters is at the same location as another wave with an amplitude of -4 centimeters, the total amplitude will be 3 centimeters. An example of this is constructive interference. If I have a wave that looks like this at the same location as a wave that looks like this, their crests line up and their troughs line up, we end up with a bigger crest and a lower trough. This is an example of constructive interference. Sometimes you can think about this when you're on a trampoline and someone bounces at the same time as you do, or double bouncing. They end up with a much larger amplitude because you're adding energy to their amplitude. The other one is destructive interference. If I have a wave with an average amplitude, but it meets a wave that's exactly halfway out of phase, which means that its crest and trough line up, and trough and crest line up. When I add those together, a +5 and a -5 gives me 0, and a -5 and a +5 gives me 0. You actually get a wave that looks like that, with an amplitude of 0. An example of this in real life would be noise-canceling headphones. The headphones have a microphone in them that actually listens to the sound outside of it and adds sound with a negative amplitude. So if it hears something with a +5 amplitude, it will add sound with a -5 amplitude to cancel out that noise. That allows you to hear the music in your headphones a lot clearer and not hear the noise outside of your headphones. This is wave interference.